charge and approve first. One enya mako baku nsia. Na saa driver for on yen Cassandra no. Wachire and says saa driver for ejina assembly bia. Say ye bisa say a driver for more a year krom hayi enkran hayi. Muda so di saa enkomoda na. Muni apposi for no mo yonko fa no etesen. Na back 2 days ago we had another conversation over here with the East Municipal Assembly and paying for. Now, one more say boss say, a domain market. A driver for one more packet, a woman packet, I want to cancel. Ni a dready four. One more eddy, one more jaton, a diano, about see a quanos or motono, one more take action. I'm penny and pa, and no, I pony near Cofido. When we say a quanu mudaho, Praja for no say no. Woman di line or so, but a bit more so brachne, a bit more so than pa. Still, woman per omedi emrando so, at winning comma, a betoja, dear kind. Near we are now, yet in the second part, no, Eddie Abrewo. Now, Attorney General like I so. Now, as some more can, and I say, I hear the extradition request on the head of Kendo Furiatano. So, extradition request, you know, a idea. One more forwarded to the foreign, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, for it to be also, sent to the United States of America, for them to also study, to see if Ghana has a case. If Ghana has a case in Kwandia, a year honorable Kenefureta, or Beba Ghana ha, Mumenko Tedie, a year Attorney General, Ekaye. Okay, so I'll be playing that voice for you again right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. It's like that. The voice has no one to play, but don't worry. I'll be getting you the full voice again right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Tibebia Obiano, you should know, say a brand so near Mark Kwama or do I drink Rabeboa. Number of phrases sunye 0260 196064 0260 196065. When the numbers are a brand of swan, you have a quang about Udi Wadrinchere, Abeboa, a Jumedi and so. Now, you have a so. Now, you know, Gilbert Ankra, or no, a year PRO, and as a Casabafo, Edema, a year Accra Metropolitan Assembly. Now, on a sono, you need in common live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Tibebi obiano enyi we fide dem free here. Na medical catch you say, de bia ya trasia, ye wo dwumekuo ahudo ba say na enumu a, wo mo so ya sene ma ye dwumedie ye brewo. De odi kan no, eye RSYD no VG Studios. Me bacho, sa bre wo so twa sini, wo so twa photo a. Bia wo so do we di kire, eye RSYD no VG Studios. RSYD no VG Studios. Me no ka say hard door studio papa pedi. Location bia wo pe bia no. Ebusia ayade a wo benya sa location ni nyina e wo RSYD no VG Studios. Na cameras a wo use no. Cameras ni nyina ya papa. Eye easy. Na ukotwa fofonyi wo ho. Na wo de ye eye status so say photo ni da ho brutal. E te ba cho say wo ye wedding, wo ye yiyo. Ana say wo ye gathering bia na be hia. Say on my take photography and on my trap pictures or because I can for RSYD no VG Studios. No babies I say a hifa robo, but body na koso tie jumedi no baby omo no me fan camel. Na ma minka say hey, ye die nim say ye ka pan no de din ye ba kope Jaws bread. Bread na ye moton say. Bread na ye de say Jaws bread. Come up pa. Ba me no ka say Jaws for say nya pan no gwa no mbe. Say de omo no adokoro ton. Jaws bread. Say Jaws hot kinky. And the battle did docuno. Ya fa kwan papa so aya. Me battle a Jaws kinky. Ya 7 hot. Now any just someone say ne bono a 3 Ghana cedis pe. 3 cedis. Ne bia da metanamic. Say oh ye party be. Now be serve kinky e wase a. And how who say wo kwa kono adokono. And how who say wo po bi. Amana kono adokono e dia mawo. Me pa chop bobo den ye. For when chire Joyce for asoye na wo mo be mawo kenke 3 Ghana cedis per ball. Wo betime tu bi akọ e dia akọ ye program. E man na mo ton dokono no. Afensa na obeko ja ho. Me pa chop say ja na wo ko ho no. E ja wo ko a how adwen pa o wapomoden. ɛyɛ affect no ɛde bata so te be kan na wi na woton dɔko no a de bia sorry a na wo de wani akyerɛ ɛyɛ Jos for nchen wokɔ a no akɔ akɔpɛ dɔkoro de bi 3 cedis pɛ minim sɛ wɔn a mo ɔkɔtɔ de 3 cedis no wɔn mo ɛde ɛyɛ 5 cedis na me ba cho bomoden ɛyɛ Jos kinki foi na akɔpɛ wɔn akyi akwan na yadeɛ wɔ hɔ yi yadeɛ yɛ ya papa sɛ woni apomuden a wo mmɔbɔ sɛ ne senti no sɛ wopɛ sɛ wapomuden esi pi na esi tade a aduro a mekamfo ma na wi ɛyɛ Tontina 74 T74 na mom hia no nso wo yɛ ɔba a wafefuro a aduro wei wonnom wo yɛ ɔba a wo ma akɔda no fo a aduro wei wonnom sɛ wo yɛ akɔda wo nya ndi fie 12 years a aduro wei wonnom na aduro no ɛbɔ adwuma gidigidi ɛyɛ ahoban bɔ aduro kɛse paa nti mpakyɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔbɔ ho ban afi yadewa ho a Tontina 74 T74 has the answer for you wonim obi a wonya nwudwuyɛ ana yare kwankro bi adokro no sɛ yɛsan sɛ yare ne yɛ kwankro mo akwakyɛ me pacho bomode na tu sa yade na se T74 ene beka wasema ma obi osuso osora no pa ne hunam nyina ye memremre me pacho eye yade ene edi eba moja broso oba obunsa na manfo de dan the calendar me pacho wedra ne eye Tontina 74 T74 drugstore pharmacy shop ye ben no yade a wonsa beka na hina obenya no wodidum so oba Fred doctor na number ben no be Fred siso na saka bi say Electroland Ghana Limited the home of quality electronics ya okoto no ankoto papa enche na asai na no obi koto the fridge o say prof na fridge am koto yi ndi nansa na mse koto no he no bo company bi ni chire me na mse wada de bia metena radio so meka Electroland Ghana Limited for ho asema adenti na wanko ho ankoto because ho de okoto ade wo ho a your guarantee and as a warranty ye de be ma wo na kai se okoto ade no wo ho bronya brem wo mo atete o mo niam so papa mechira Electroland Ghana Limited TVs, air condition, fridges, washing machine, rice cooker, blender, me patcho adebia electronic bia o he biaro kai edini ya ba kope Electroland Ghana Limited and no enebeka wasam edi amount etisabri ye beko na yakwa kobo ye nkomo na mamindi kama eye patho akwaba patho that is saying
prof
Good. And then Thursday.
Getting to the end of the
Today
week.
is 18th. So meaning we are left with about 7 days to the celebration of the Yuletide.
Yeah.
That's the Christmas holidays.
That's right.
Whoa, hooray!
That's right.
Yeah, God made it.
Christmas,
Christmas, you know, who's an indoor person?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, me quite sorry about me. I don't go anywhere. Some would have so to you sorry. Now Christmas you be busy over to you brutal. Nama me on tabana sebako ni yemfanko. What's once for God and for country.
God and country.
And you know, bibia ye biara ye de nyame na edikan ane ye nyame. Etosumienu ye man.
That's right.
Say wo man benya ne ntoma pefra. Say wo man begyina ne nan so. Ye
no bia ho ato
no kuro.
Na botuma ye den.
Say de wonu say botomu nyewu.
Christmas Eve.
Prof. Inflation amuka ho asem na no.
Single digit.
Amam for botomu a enya ntiri omuntimi nko dwaman so. I don't know my inflation about for mo. What's inflation? The definition is that more money chasing fewer goods.
That's it.
And as I say, abina withdraw. Scanning it is a amount for purchasing power. Anyhow, eco form. Sika amount for the Beko German soon in you. But Niamano dear. And a Niamano was above them.
Na purchasing power.
And I'm purchasing power soon near. So what I say? But a year. A year. Se sikabe wo memu hapana sikabe wo amanfo kotokum na obeko dwaman so na niam bo no kosoro se scan doso sa na ekodwaman so na niam no so susu a e pressure beto ade no so pressure beto so a na che sa se sika no chesi niam nketwa na edwaton ade nketwa na ewo edwaman so no yes ade na ebe kosoro yes niam no bo no ebe kosoro so what you say ebe kakraka actually patro inflation basics no e na edi amamu ne wonta by na say na metnada unyu na say na metnada
One man tabia. Oh, enti famisie. What have I say? Oh, Jesus, edifiance. What have I say? You better bring your empire boy.
Yeah.
A radim for you see in Tabanase.
Sir Bronsam should show me among your name.
Oh, me. Or Peme Bonin so when you made me that say. If we say,
Mr. Jesus, Nitabinase.
Afe wa beye me hai ene me kwanje ono na we mi free oha me nemo enti yadarasio mirai ye wa yeda oh Jesus enti me dawasio Meyi wayeda.
Ya very man agwa no di omo ye ne mempe. Ya very man ma kwa ba.
Yeah, no.
Bibia boko de.
E ma ne se ye.
Ah, we ma de say.
Na se e ma
Ya very man.
o ba ko homa.
Yeah.
Ye nka thank you da. Because me say wa said ye busa ho.
Oh sa.
Oh, enye o sa.
Oh, ba me de me ba ko homa. You say thank you. Oh, me ra me da say.
Yo yate.
Bi to obi a oh me ra. Me da say.
Akwa te say wa se ewu. Wo na wo boka pa. Enso ye bonsa body e wodi nim. Ndi na e mamba no.
Ora gba do that say.
Menu eye.
Bibia boko de.
Eye pa. De bia ya odi si no me dey free ho.
Aha.
Ya odi en de wo say wasi wu a una boka. Ebi da me so. Valentine Day amanfo koji omani no.
Oh, see wa.
Na me sie ma ase.
Ye ba be ya.
Aye.
Don't worry.
Na
Na ya very
se na mo tutu nyumu e de.
I'm
What ya so
ya mo pede. Ni akra mu. Ka we 24 bu ka mu se mu nye. 21st night. Uza ka kra bombo tumba.
Charlie, any young plan here. As a carnation market near Bukakujina. Don't me had the only me, don't I the MP.
Oh,
Reverend is Rana Kabi Assembly.
Then
Coming is easy, but sustaining is not easy.
Oh, but
you bet me. If you me a bejina. Oh, if
and you know what I said, Patrick, I'm disappointed in you. And you know, and you want yet to and you what I say, free me. No, I'm disappointed in you. Patrick,
I tell them who are horror.
90 the woo, I check it, no more to know what I say. And then I'm not check
every name.
Ah, nothing. Every name. And
Send me and Fadum and Dum source of for. I'm Mount Nimdia or Bible.
Also for bien wo
Debbie.
Also for bien wo ko mo anya me fe no.
Omo
ana from.
Ya ba mama ti agbado.
Ah, e wo ebia ni fold.
That's right.
O ye enyum to minister. Wo so de ne se obehwe so ato nyumpa. Ama okra asakra. Enti ne se akra be sakra na wo voice no. Na wo say and free me. I don't get
it. Oh, Ragbado. Ono, so come make us how chapel.
That's right.
Ono, a lead singer.
That's right.
Inti, one for Konya is
Debbie. Ono,
on Pekanisha, I'm La Pass.
Debbie.
La Pass. Don't trust it, or maybe man.
Yamarama, True Drivers Union. Ukono, what to say?
Yame, Egusu Shayas.
Yame Gusu Shamus. True Drivers Union, the only Yalberima in town.
Oh, say, and there Yawada, I mention Yawada for you now. And the panel won't mind no, ye me no pay.
The panel me no pay.
Yes.
Wine.
Or Barney Bema. And yes, sir. And as I me no pay. Yarny Yaw.
Yarny Yaw.
Yes. Until you walk ya Bema near war by ya. Okofa Bema Quabana fake. Onye bema enchen ya bema oba ya oba ekuya emfa enya hu asem sa e fat
o de bi meji hu ama
and akoye dane de na che say I say de odi amokuya aye nkatenkwan o dane de
amokuya
so nkatenkwan odi
Oh, sir.
Good in Katinquaya.
Oh,
HS or Danny Dim.
yo, yeah, that's say. Emma Aquaba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country.
I rested you.
Yeah.
The man who woman is on there, sure. Dance. Now, meeting with some kakra.
Natural bit maybe, sir.
Pacho, send you more a home farmer bibia dem pifino. Most share that's I women and as a Nipano, most share that selection.
I mean, Nimu, I think.
Send you when you do city. Any montage shim, any studio hano.
Yeah.
Wasn't by my dean.
Why he did? Some of who said, "Oh, you can't wait."
Yeah, gumi fufu so I share number the better swam. Timatum. Timatum.
Yeah,
Moba say moba sum ampa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dino and mo na mo.
Sure. Na osum ewo ekwan paso so a onya ketuapa.
Entina sompa.
Yeah.
Nya ketuapa.
Aketuapa. Me da se ye ma akwa aba. Ora David Agbado. Na on de ye ne na na ebo. Bibi aboko de.
Boko.
GPR tu ye.
Obia ho ye. Ti se de e okan ye no. Driver ku bibiri wo Ghana ha. Be diaka no. Eye papa wo mpa ye GPR tu.
Ya ba ma te nchen true drivers you know.
Omo ti ye nchen, omo ye true drivers. Be me ka GPR tu asem. Nti eye GPR tu ene omo amaka. Ene wo ho.
Ya ba ma nya botwema me na me ni nkomo we mra sisi e. Na ye ko e ahoma no so na ye ne owura Gilbert Ankra we kasamafo e ma Accra Metropolitan Assembly edi nkomo. Na mini Gilbert Yama official part, Yama Aquaba, SOMPA 106.5 FM, Accra.
SOMPA, Accra Metropolitan Assembly, Mayor, Honorable Michael Papalo Kedano, Chiamu Sefo na area assembly, no, county blessings in worship, Danyame Aspe, any Diawaya, Ediamaye.
Ya beda wase pass na wi waje penese a woni yenga bi din komo na ukai se brebi atwemo no na me ni wudi nkomo afa adarafo bi a woni suban enye wo mo charge an approve first san komo no akwakosi sen motimi akire eye nipakuo bi a wo mo di sa adwuma no
enra Honorable Mayor, Honorable Michael Papaluti, and in the tax force, to ensure that there is compliance and ban of fares are passengers. Now, prior to that, a lot of consultations are also a B and Abua Amase stay in a Ministry of Transport. ADSTC cars support transportation system and and yes, around 5:30 p.m. we see compliance level now. Ocean baby, I call Coco board enclave all the way to Paris for traffic light enclave. Now, and no more the Timothy drivers maybe 6 of them are Omono, Ocean baby, Omo corner, Omo the candidate to first be to some more charging higher. They are any some more charging, Emuno, Mayo, Emma, arresti omunina at the assembly no but fortunately no ono ankasa ema omu ibi omu kasa ema omu one say and then no I first day yes jumedi na say and all word omu to ensure say omu timi di omu jumeyi na waka say enne eko idie enforcement na ye be ye chill Tika enye so jini die mrano edu ebedipa iti sapepe ne koso.
Okay, but any regional minister edin komo honorable okulu na yeni didin komo no de to yenim say adamfo be nsia bi wo mo akire omo na wo mo de omo kwa kogina asem de bia na me bi say sa adamfo na na ka ho asem na na
and no dear may 78 but for us as an assembly, no, Jumedia, they would respect to ensure say drivers making that charge approve first, no, and no, and I go so, you know, and I mean, sure say the BBR regional minister with respect to transportation and Adama for only there. I didn't deny the city of Accra and the greater Accra region as a whole.
One other complainer na yetenya fee and afre for her echere say aye dwadi for no omuta puba aye ekwan so bedidwa ebe be twemo no na mo ka say is it Operation Red Line or something like that, but I don't know how is the situation like now. Say about the main city center say dwadi for no obia e wo kwan na chi a won di omudwa na say omudwa ton ade no wo ma yi abagu kwan mu bio.
Mamenka say for J4 no that for J4 no ampa omo ewo red line no eti omo di omo ejuma afen so no areas bi wo ho a yehu say omo edi omo juma ewo ho yie pa na enu nti no mayor honorable Michael Kwakwalo ti o share situation no ono ehu say Petit Monday no wa share say there are specific lanes within the city are either blocked to allow for trading activities, especially ebetini aboa ama JDA no etini akoso, especially within this Christmas season. You know, yeah, share nimu say in the coming week, you know, yebeye sa we no na yetini ama JD4 no omonso omenya baby ometini ato omwade no.
Okay. Now
any
Christmas. Me Joe. Now we can be say streets be or mobile block. Now but streets be na mobile block because you were specific on that. Which streets are you going to be blocking?
We are looking at currently the street blocking now. We are having consultations with the police. Baby to say Okanshi inside. Baby to say Mokolani area more. These are areas that now plans are far advanced. Now for Monday then I may honorable Michael Kwaku Aluti Akano. Say you be me I block those areas so now it's not allowed for trading activity.
Yo that say I will need you so what is saying say one year tongue near mano. Because sanitation is key when it comes to the celebration of Christmas, because the city should be clean. I don't know what the Metropolitan Assembly is doing in order to keep faith with this particular issue that I'm talking about.
I mean, say, about issues of sanitation.
Sure.
Issues of sanitation, making a can say, the also do. Now, mayor, and no, as part of Nyama or Namkom to ensure issues of sanitation within the season, everything up on Kampa. And within the entire enclave now, in as much as we acknowledge the fact that there are some litters around, there are measures to collect the waste every evening to ensure that within the city, the I clean, the BI clean, I big expertise. This entire week has been earmarked for a sanitation exercise. In the week, yes, sanitation.
All right, so okay, so sanitation, more bombarding I be biafa then potina mo ye.
About the issues of sanitation, there is consistent cleanup exercise. National Sanitation Day, happening Saturday, na air course this entire week, has been allotted to embark on sanitation within the entire metropolis. And you go so here, about the ball and Yama, I ensure the Brokoma, ama a collection system, no, it's me, a Kosuyi. I've so, and Najubia, Najubia into comments in the Tinika about patient. Who say, and Najubiano, we have our waste management team led by Engineer Solomon Noy. More ensure say waste within the city now. We are evacuating all the waste within the city to ensure that we have a very clean environment.
All right, what I just want to say is we want you wish you well. Now, security situation within the Accra metropolitan area, and also what you're saying. Security situation, I know what you're saying.
again.
But security. I hope I'm born and she say it is.
Thank you very much. Security there, they are tight security. Now, prior to this week, you know, no matter share macro security council. Now, you're activating your 24 security surveillance, you know. Now, consistently, you know, police also day and night patrols within the metropolis to ensure that about the amount of from crime. I think so as part of Mayor Honorable Michael Pakwaloti, the 24-hour system, no, the awareness the amount for SCP to Coma or more air share into Bia, or maybe we have our main station within the entire areas. Immediately now, mobile task force, and then we come in to ensure that there is that form of that. Security, it is top notch in the city. This very Christmas. Now, who prefer that continue into the new year and then beyond.
Now, more security numbers via Ubikwa here more nipa betimi see so because I'm asking this question. I know say you are not the actual security but I know say if you have had several meetings with the security personnel, the heads of the security personnel, they should make available to you numbers we can call on when we are distressed.
Yes, numbers, our contacts, many cafe assembly, no mayor, activity, 24-hour economy, we know office for no. Now, sure said 24 hours, no. You bet me 80. Numbers in the hour, a be make me abo amount.
Yeah,
0243 211 345.
Me batonya botre. So number says you should be go am for person.
0243
0243 211 345.
In the time, be our friend, we be our PR officer, your Pasana, Manona, be near liaison with your rapid response team, and not quickly, no, you think I take that action to ensure that the public good sense of safety, no, they be to me about mobile.
And not any regional minister didn't come on, or the two just say one more Emma a year MMDCs, you know. An ultimatum of about is it 2 weeks, to fix the street light. How is the lightning system within the jurisdiction which you operate?
Yes, for the lightning system, no. This week, you say, Mayor call around to share parts of the central business district. I entered and you know, many can say street lights. No, they are tested those areas. No, actually, before I ever rock Christmas, no money there. Street lights are every man from regional minister office. No, you're very sure say you're very sending in and we're issues of security in the metropolis as well.
And street lights, no, do send them on Sakai.
Make me say for as of an assembly, there are more than 1,000. Now, to say now, a lot more has been installed at various strategic areas. You know, we are hoping, Senator Mayor Nakano, in the coming weeks. Prior to the Xmas festival. Nah, only you
are. Okay. All right, for my year and now say a year Ura Gilbert and Cranati 7 8 dinko. Urabado, as what you call then up as okay.
Onim,
meaning this okay.
Ghana, Yakoye say or my beer. Just say Kusie mine. Ghana, Ekoye say Kusie mine. The entire make us a Kusie mine say
Kusie mine.
Yeah. Just say Obo only just a bonny tuja and send away to me free a bone whoopie. Unim, meaning this okay. Say, Osha Presser, a release year, commercial transport operators.
Sure.
Presser, a release year, this week, yeah. Emma, and then a died line. Omo, mammy, whom Domis here, a quiny dim. Wow. Me whom said Domi, a quiny dim.
Okay. I wish I forgot me a Facebook was this year. I don't want to head of it. Domi, market, quiny dim, market to quite
ultimatum. Say,
maybe I say for moment me a call. Domi market and quine so no. Say, I said, what's the traffic in the crowd? I said, a move papa.
Traffic poor.
There be the traffic. More with me Facebook was this year. Well, look at this beautiful. Praja for no, I am happy say obi di ni lane mu sese. Obi amfa enchen bio.
I said traffic ni flow you know.
Say you have no option. Debi enura kra na ye ba no. Hwe, ebi to na bia omtimi gikwa no so 4. Na omo nyina akọ. But Prof, with this we are seeing today there, there's an improvement in that.
It will be 9-day wonders. Seriously.
It will be a 9-day wonder.
I'm telling you, gospel fact.
East Municipal Assembly.
This is the second time commercial transport operators are sending this warning, and you are seeing it like this. First one, you know.
Yeah.
Who say, "Oko akra, beat me up, but that's I'm talking to you today. Unko akra na munko hwe.
Decongestion no mo ye no.
Ene, domi, ena me hu say eno da ho. But that's I'm talking to you. Say your friend say me honomo La Paz
side
Enclave honomo.
Yeah.
Say your friend say MCU honomo. Your MCU ho.
Sure.
Be ko hwe La Paz sisi ya me ne wo ka say.
I time.
O kan queen of. I time. MC no wo ho no.
Na producer ye betime nya MC na ye ni o makasa.
Minim juma oye wo La Paz ho. Omo ka sanitation.
Okay queen of.
Omo ka sanitation.
Me pacho okay queen of.
O kan queen of.
MC no ho no hu de o.
Me hu de o ye. Seriously.
Then anka opeso ye.
Minua Eli ene me sheda de ba ye pa.
Na me hu say airline no crowd.
Aye. Road traffic regulation 2012.
Sure.
LI 2180. Regulation 117. Essay. Trading on the road.
Trading on the road.
Yes.
Sa one year didwa e wo kwan no so.
Sa. Me pese unua be kan ama.
All right.
Hu de wo ho.
Patrick.
Emra we wo ho. But omafa ho driver air charge. Yenka said the driver ni na ye on record. Yenka said the driver for na ye no. Eye. Say on be charge on approved fares.
Fares no.
Enye. But mra we nyina wo ho. Yen a driver for nko a esan say ye car number plate boss so. Enti ene ye bone a omutimi so ye pa.
All right, yet you.
Mana omoton ade wo La Paz brono so ho. Omoton ade wo your friend say Mohano your friend say Domi.
Domi market.
Domi market.
Sure.
Mra kroya ehwe driver tini so no. Ehwe ono so. Enti kire mani kan ho ma kire.
Before be kan yes amra no. Be say nanu nie ye bomoding to yensa frɛ Gam East Municipal Assembly. Ɛna ye frɛ eye driver fo a wo mo eye Domi market odomo. Ɛna yensa to yensa frɛ adwadifo omo mani bi omo secretary Market Women Association omo ba ha ɛna ye diri san komo no. But interestingly na de chen ye no ama ekwan no mu ada ho.
Prof.
Yeah.
Medical ka say this is the second time that signing this caution. Say ya nhwa bro nyi ebia ya ye free echirechire say you know. Ti say voter say e be nante ne yakọ. Ye signing that caution no. Eno na ama sanity kakra aba ho. Nti say obi anka ye tuja. Can't we work as a country? Can't we work as an institutions? What are we doing?
And the movie said the mo ye no. Enu ntina ama empenyifo act ya na.
Minua.
Yes.
Eye eno. Because ye ma deadline say ende ye hu bibia ne ena edition no.
Yeah.
O me hu ye actions. And we will do it. We will do it. And in America say Okankwe North ne Okankwe Central MCE no. Order no. Because into ya amate say ndwadifo na omo didwa wo hono nyina no aye package aye hampers e dey come no.
That's a serious allegation.
It's a serious allegation that I'm making.
No, you have a proof?
Minua.
You don't have any proof to
that. Me say,
yes.
Men kasa wo fidie bi so enkopa ho chewda. Say minia, I will not say it.
And you know,
I'm telling you.
E didn't bang no who say one no aye package akoma mpanyifo.
Minua.
Yes, with you.
Me can access isubie. Say, edwadifo e the packages. Enya packages. At the corner office.
Now, sir, one the package qua afiaso, and the ye chief adoya. It doesn't spoil anything. It doesn't spoil it.
Unim.
I didn't answer.
I'm more continuous. Prof.
Yes.
The late Professor Evans Atamils. His Excellency, the late Professor Evans Atamils. Okay, say, Emma Obian receive hampers on Xmas Day. This
is a new administration.
Whether new administration, old administration, they all boil down to the same law of the land. those things come, those enticing things come with its consequences. Ebi na yehui. La Paz, ekwan ni baby a obefa. Ekwan ni baby a obefa. Let me tell you something. 3 days ago, time na ye program wo akra. We said this. Say police for extorted sika every driver for her. And anything a driver for so charge unapproved, you know. That very day, drivers for moya ujuma wakra. Me was station will be ba master yogurt. Wo jiwe me say me the yogurt here dey. Sanya mani nyina mon fanko. Na de ye papa no monko na monko ye. Because the enye papa no ye kan no omo sakra. Inti mo so monko na monko sakra na monko charge La Paz enumerate 10 cedis. What you say? Let us do the right thing at the right time. Ghana ebe fan into mapa efra.
Alright, but I want to go to Yaberima. Yaberima True Drivers Union. Say no muku no emu ode ho. And then one you no kakra.
Otiku ni dia.
True Drivers.
Say a driver for a kanokure.
Inti GPRT phone kanokure.
Men kansa ne mum. Yesi kire me usu wadam for na men kire ni suban.
Okay. Me ba cho besa ba onchen. Oragbado kasembi. Or say Eli ni baby wo ho a e kire say.
Nka o ma me ye bibi kitu e bi.
Na ye bibi kakra.
On say yen no obi antan obi ene ye tan asem yen tan nipa ba cho say atwin sere mi no da paso a si ye ni ba kwa no nya ba ko
Me da say
ena book ya ye de abande yi emre bie wom bia the Ghana Police Service in the hweso ya gazette parliament na gitum ema o mampanyin de ne nsa hya ase coat of arms eboso nti o man no ye japade adenti na mra ne fa baabi echibi na fa baabi de obi aso ntime nya ho hwe
na ehifa emra no emra ben na wo ha
wo drive na wo receive call mba che se posi chew ana mba che se wo drive na o mo seat belt a posi chew wonu se e wo mra no mu se u preach a e ka mu a wo na wo preach wo ka mu posi chew
wom.
Yes, a wom because
be the regulation 116. No, but the regulation 116 na me had.
Road Traffic Regulations 2012 LI 2180.
Regulation 116.
116. Or say a person shall not cause or permit to be caused nuisance, including preaching and hawking on a public or commercial vehicle while the vehicle is in motion.
On the public, meboa. Then teacher say omo gina eho ye dede tuatua ya so say yenchi omo. And na car
Patrick Sakai man.
And na car ye gina mu e preaching.
No, man Sakai
LI 2180 no say 116 no say.
Or say then.
A person shall not cause or permit to be caused nuisance, including preaching and hawking on a public or commercial vehicle while the motor vehicle is in motion.
Okay, so anti-mra we know. It doesn't bar people from say obi preaching or kwan. Or say car no. It's a car untimi njina car no and ton ade. Untimi njina car no and preaching. Wa bra car no. Eko. Ba car ni njina ho de a obetimi akoton ade o. Car ni njina ho de a obetimi akwa preaching o.
Da be na post ya chi obi o preaching o ka mu da.
Na se sa de no ka say ejai o.
Ejai ka tell wo.
Hwe
Yeah, I draw for the dance ya tell.
Kasarmo adi. Kan no tum.
Ya be ma metio.
Ana me bo.
Yeah, eno ya be ma metio.
Wo car no kwa o ma hu se o preach o be preach o wo kwa driver pa che o lowa wa fidie ne kakra say o the respect be man e bi okura na o be receive call
yeah
we ya o say mesere mo we de yensi etrase na kwantu ya ye tui ye mfa ye ho hye nyamesa
say nye bone
say wo driver kwa say da bi a car num asem e beto wo ho no tu be di wo wie ya no the preaching ato aso emra ne se yenchi sa nipa no opa wo koka obi betra ka anu adi watem esi da me nyina ye hu meboa regulation 128 no okada na ye se eye chiwade se odi okada tricycle be ye adwuma ene o masakram ama be ye mra me no ka say regulations no omunya mfa anya dem ma e ba ye be say nya bi eninti prof
yeah
number jo Mr. Buzo professor radio dia
AKA prof
radio dia
AKA prof
you because me so me a professor ya bema papa no TG tech opa on fa me ko there because me tika And my driver for the say car na me twi no. Me wo hu nim die. Into omo ase me yemu professor we say won tiase here.
Ene no kre.
Wo be say won tiase.
Dey ultimate kana sa.
Wo adwuma wo ya ye so wo ya adwuma no professor no betima tra ba bi say.
Dey eno ye AK.
Wo ye be mo fa bra.
Dey ya be mount me kana.
Me see me nko ade me ne no betwe sa ma so.
Jite go no kra o ma nchen.
Osrompo ka tie be no kro we. Me be professor ya be ma professor in driving.
Ajita. Debi. Na woni nkomo ye di wa me bato ora agbado me ba. Nkomo ye di ni wa ye wo. Advantage bi of your friend Kweku Akwa. O say nkomo na mu di no e de pa. But my main fan to go bestsellers for enim ni say. Wo mo nsi so musuban. Gobe, wo mo ton gobe.
Me ne ya adwen.
Ai, o mo say kokobua e full and so still.
Ya baba o. Yanko achiri kura. Wo ho. Enti wo hwe regulation 117 na. Boa ne kan ho nso. 117 no.
117.
Yeah, go.
Atifia 7 say.
Trading on the road.
Uh-huh.
A person shall not sell, display, offer for sale, or deliver pursuant to a sale goods A on or alongside a road.
Hey,
B on a pedestrian walkway.
Hey.
C within 30 meters of a railway level crossing.
Hey.
D under a road traffic sign denoting a blind comma or horizon. E within an intersection. Or F on or alongside a road including a toll booth and a plaza.
Enti ya adwen ye adwuma wo man mu ha.
Ya remember, emra we
No, me see nti ya adwen ye adwuma wo man mu ha.
But I say wo ho. Ya remember question na wo bisa no. E fa ye nyina ye ho.
Good. Me we say o man na.
No, adwen ye adwuma but emra ne ye nni so.
Nenti adwen ye adwuma no.
But emra we no, I don't know publicly no. Amanfo nim say emra we no.
We no, we no, the wa boss we. Wo see nipa no di sa bone na okotra kwam bone o ade atwe aso wo bia se wa bone ko 3 no
3 a person who contravenes regulation 1 commits an offense and is liable on summary conviction not more than 50 penalty units or to a term of imprisonment of not more than 3 months or to both.
Really?
In the assembly no sabi omu nim book we mu no mo kan wie ye no de na ba omu tim omu ka sa driver for ye nkwasiafo na okuro mu
me
ba cho one penalty unit be say 12 cedis and I say not more than 50 penalty.
Yeah.
In this hotel ye near the 50 bowa. But 12 multiplied by 50. But
12 multiplied by
50.
60.
600 Ghana city, right? Shani paru do egu kwan so. Sa assembly di mra ye adwuma no mo chiche sa akrofo we ji obi 600 a. Unim sika do e benya. Unim say sa akrofo we ye ka fi mu fi e koso waka kwan so omo a.
Driver for so ka ho bi.
Why driver for?
Oh, edu ba bia mo prapra mo ka mo gu.
Why driver for?
Edu ba bia mo ye bi.
Masa me ba.
Ya ba edu ba bia madama for ye bi.
Ya ja tumi ye ya.
Yanko.
Ya te ase. Na so no omo a omo ho no. Wo be ko no de ntoma atware no ho wo kwan anum. Sabi na bi je omo na gu rubber bag mu. Ebi twonso gu konkom. Ba bi opa bia no wahwie agu. Kwa mu ne tontoma. Awie ya bo bi ayire babasi bi de toma eto na sene. E wo ka kwan mu. Ebi bo bi brazier. Emra no so se ye nton de wo kwan mu. Di asem no mo ka che okro we mu no. Wonim se driver obegina bus stop and afa obi asi obi nya za. Bus stop no aye choke. Ya the truck asim e de ma pant aguso. Agina bus stop o. Assembly enko crampo truck ru an nche no. By driver no ba ya we nya bus stop na nyina no. Okogina nche baby se wo si obi afa obi a ne ya crampo no. Bi akogina 300 series. Omo ka se yankwase afo na okwo.
One a campo.
Assembly omo task force. Omo kuta cramp omo de crampo car tie.
Yo, be say wasembe ye de no. On kan regulation 155. No say
But can regulation 155.
I get by you omo next year okro mu.
There be yeah.
Prophet if you say boarding and alighting from motor vehicle. a person shall not A. Board a motor vehicle or alight from a motor vehicle at an unauthorized place.
All right.
Or B. Whilst a motor vehicle on the road, stop the motor vehicle at an unauthorized place.
All right.
2. A person shall not enter a motor vehicle or alight from a motor vehicle unless the motor vehicle is stationary.
Okay.
3. A person who is driving a motor vehicle shall not permit another person to enter the motor vehicle or alight from the motor vehicle when the motor vehicle is in motion.
Okay.
4. Where a motor vehicle is on the road, a person shall not, in respect of that motor vehicle, A. Open a door that is on the side of the road, which is closest to moving traffic.
We want to move for. Allah. We would do for yeah, my right. Yeah.
Say ye drew bus stop wha ye nya baby anyina no say automatically no kwan no mu ana car no bewe enti nam say wonya baby nyina enti wo be ko kakra ubie door say nipa nsi ana obi mfro ana police efri e ma no mo te kwan no bus stop age wa boso no omo chi ne yase no wa bie regulation 155 ne say odi achew na so wo ka che ne say regulation 117 no so fa nchi baby o so free about say ndenya na asem
Hey. Police research journals.
Yes, once a way kura wo watem say ye na edi hu for me boa. Na so papa mu ase bus stop ne da ho. Say obi anyimi. Enkonko gina ho. No onsi nipa no onfa bi. Eni ti ye ba test mra me say o man pay drum mama asem no kan no. Ye be mana nu no ho.
Resetting.
I'm telling you, ye ba boa mo obi a resetting the side. E bi ni ya sha ase no. Resetting no. Ye ba reset Ghana because ye ntimi ntra ho ma posi. Emu nipa say omo yire mu bebre na gu kwan no ho no.
Apose for no.
No,
but you don't have any there's no research to prove that.
But o frere say yemra SOMPA no ye hu ba bia mo fidie isi. Enti obi ni mo obi. Na nka ye ba ye ka akwan. Obi be ko obi krom nti ne ye ka akwan Ghana obi ani ba bi obi te. Wo pa sisi ye nkomo ye di mama no mpa na me sorry frere ko du fie. Ko si be hu mi fie abechi mmebo a. Enti enim ye wo nya busuafo ne ye wa. Ah?
Enti you are alleging say Apose for o ma yere no mu na edidwa e wo kwan.
Me say e fa emprafo no o mo yere mo. O mo tete o mo chini yase na da ye hu. Minim post bi a wo pensesa e ma na o mo ton ade wo traffic. E pensesa o mo timi ko no wo ko jensesa. Enso on ton ade ni bi wo kwan mu. Ni yiri timi ka chense nyame ma odwa on so atadwe. Hwe Ghana Immigration Service omo si omo tias we ani wo mu
Aden
wo mani ma guase
Ghana Immigration Service.
Oh yes.
What have they done?
Yeah say omo mpamo omo gu kwan mu no wo nso omo chichi Nigerfo ne sa aifo no e ma mu nyina mu ye dede presi omo wo nso omo do omo ko fa antiti omo hye omo dwa
Omo di omo ko fa antiti mu.
Yes
E hye omo dwa.
Yes
E we he
se nkola ne ba omo kuta yiwasum omo chichi omo no omo fo man ko ba bi omo kura yiwasum brush any polish no mujina kwan nim
there be
ohu omo na ohu omo
there be me dem hu brush me hu eyi bia e ho
oh
Prof.
Yeah.
Wa fidie yisu
Prof.
Yeah, me anya botre me na ma me ni wi
wa fidie yisu mi ntimi nka asem a me ka asem ama wo problem you hu free ya be ma ne kan
debut sa
me na me kind
debut sa immigration debut sa immigration for asem na wo kan no me dia metimi aka esi sudua na say enkrofo no mu yi o mu free kwan mu no wo masan ba
na omo do omo ko hin omo ban so de ekuro omo no na me ka ho asem
debut and you don't have me amete
first no wo si omo no omo kuta de no omo ba omo kuta me ba chop professor
yenga ye wa hai we don't have that evidence where you are bringing that evidence from I don't know I don't have a copy to it
let me say
and you know we over here no ya twen ho afisa asem no any police for that's fine
Prof.
Yeah
Prof.
Yeah, I mean,
Mr. Sisubium.
Sisu.
Say driver ni. Obi woni sika mu, obi woni car mu. Na ojeje sika. na ofa saa ntete enu mu a obeye den obeye dry ni obeye driver ni nanu ya ene ye ka se omo anyi edwadifo ene ye nuanom omo srese sika wo Ghana kwan so a omo anyi omo mfiri mu a ye de ya hyen besi ho omo koye a omo kwachichi omo no omo koye a omo kwachichi omo no omo chi omo gu buses mu ya nkan bus kra no me kan 6
buses
man kan bebri oh me say me man kan no the me kan ye no
that's fine
say bus bia so fa nipa 21 na 6 a nipa se no ma fa no
intimi calculate
yeah sa nkrofo kro ya omo nyina sa ba back to the road omo ba ye no aye say bible mu nsem no omo koye no enye say di omo te dada no say omo aye new innovation na new innovation in here.
Yeah, me too.
Omukura you asun. Omukura brush. And omukura polish.
Omu ye juma.
Omu ye juma.
Maybe so.
Omu ye juma.
Maybe so omu ye juma man.
Omu ton wo kwan mu. Me wa emra kro ya ye kan o. 117 asem ya service wo.
Wonim what was a mikra betie you know. Sometimes I have a problem with the enforcers of the law. I have a problem with them. Because say emra we wo ho a. And they say ni kwan say obi agina kwan mu ton ade. Nipa na gine kwan na oton ade a e wo se ye kire no. But what do we see in this country? Unam traffic mo am for krokro nema eton nema all traffic mo. And then no so I believe say it's going against the law.
Yeah, driver back the car for will be now so first light. No, Nippon on mid pa. And you're 80 million can yabo. And when I say, we say, sorry, no, try 180 million as in America, 18,000. A car, you bought in a hospital, and then a grano was survivor Kakrano. Share a shaman. Driver now look takia. Kia track and no some blog no. Uni so fairly break. Still another lucky. O bro horns will be antino. And a coachy far. Ashama for Nipan 9 canana 9 driver nino. Or Jina Kanta echi Kanta 9 bino.
Yeah.
Yet a doctor and a fahomano. Nature sales. A year no or once a wom or tabia or once a woman would ye. And tis a non canipanum muquinum and will fairly break ya. I think Senka or the Kobo be them and all the Bobby Kampa. And Casabre was answer when and I'm a boy, Gobin soon share a menem. As somewhere can bet me at two. A bet me at to me. Who bet me a bar once a red light as over tear break no affairly. Others saw the Boca to an hour through pavement. Two options pavement in the Aja boss or the Boca moons own him DBC. Say Nipo Timu Kukunu. And now Kukuno. And now say Ubi a Japadie. Nemo say through pavement. Now will be bu now to me jina. Say oba to car na ma want to na me boa. Enti yes re. Enya say ye no bi antan obi o. Hwe regional minister. Ghana no achini pension de enya ne de.
Na say wo manya de enya num dwa.
Yen ka so ma ya de sa de ne ya konde ma reporter ma posi. Na onim de ndimi ntu ase no. E kwa be si posi fu yi so. And then pose for ni be ni junkie for no say do bus stop bia
last agboado kasa asem no so say sibia
oh papa mama ngusu muti mon kwa mo research o ka say ya kasa okro we bia ka asem ti o man komo nche ye and na o ka no kra na nipa no so ni say dance ye wo ho a wontimi nya wo hwe o mo ni junkie for na ye ba ko
who dance dey
yes
dance dey no way
me ba say ye
agbado forward the bam ne yemfa to your screen
o mo ni junkie for na ye ba ko
allegation na o make
anything oh
no from where I sit I'm not seeing the evidence anti kasa
anan ko mo ni ye odero
I'm dead
oh nti wa udi mraso se wa load free La Paz udu Jolu Junction obi be si na wa si no o fo obi a junkie for di aba e be tu do mo amfa ne da omo no omo wasa ye no be gina ho obe gina wa ma ade a che obe load no wo wi a sika omo be je free omo nsem no no mama post bi
I know there unhu se omo
oh me hu say me ya kwada okuru omo mu
ya be ma
me na me ka
unhu yi
oh post for be bra dan bukuma okuru we mu
anu there say de bia mo
me police bia
anu there de bia mo ka
oh nya na de say on say dampare e ba IGP former IGP e ba post for the corruption index in the bar.
Yeah.
I'm second. Who wants about first?
I'm saying,
about first.
Zuba, Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, or say Christmas week, on per MTT Nibia, Metropolitan Zuba, or say, on purpose Nibia.
What about your talking traffic?
Or some purpose Nibia. And one of the interview be one radio station of class.
Ora dam pare bai. So obe kaya. A driver for e be nya omo freedom bi. O share yen transport operators e was circle. E ma ye kaya how e ma ye kra ka chere me na me ka say me kra me ka say.
And you know some meeting ntina omo yi aposi for the fear kwan so.
Good. Asem ye kan ordinary to won we say no kra because me dey Asankare barrier ye mfanto me ne ye drive me ne nua ba ko ye ko farms to the came anajo 12 am post gina o say lances na me say pache o MTTD for na ya mo kwan no mpo no lances na o so gina ye say inspector and above o rank ne say afi was into one frame MTTD the man say me no problem no say me mpake na mpake me gina kwa no mabu seat na me dem. Ya wo na posi ba ko ba inspector no bom no si ada na me say obai tu okura da kam wani anye ho ba sika o pay agenti lances na na ju opre ho no si tu no am yi ma no o hwe ro sin kata wani e de no hwe mani udin o say mo kwa na me say eco farms no say monko utie enti me ka sa asem ni nyina chi owura dan pare say Asankare barrier no sika o mo ji wo no o betimi dia bie microfinance enti mo ntu o mo ka mo ya kromfo sara me ka
sana ka che da pare den
na me suro de me runi o ama Kumasi drivers ni nyina bo say ye na oni me dey see no rada am pare ko che otumfo o twem Asankare barrier o ko ye no be 5 minutes no ko sign car bi ho a load bicycle e bi kura yi ato no bi za so twem wa Asankare barrier o free na e bo say o free temo ko sirim no say down Osane ne ko buza say car we fa na ede na mo nyina na mo anhye na ema yi post na gina hoi no bie barrier no tum say free na ko me ni mo dwuma mo di wa ha enye owura dan pare na be ka che me winim kwa mfa so te madam fu ba ko free Belgium buy and o say men driving no me enko no krom wo eye agogo kro ba ko ofru na akwa agogo no say na dan fu post bi ewo aha nti yenko ne enko ehunu ne ne enko didi ansa na ya to aso ewo konongo ye didi ha na o say me do barrier mo say mu nyina obi o say akwa bi ye say ye friend ya bema no akwa kan kwase asem ama ye ho aba asem
sebi
oh say no kan na sa na me kan me ne nyina so na etu say didi na madam for didi na share be o say anti sa atimi o mo no say
ba woni say mo ankasa ha driver for mo ni aposi for no ayonkofa so no nko
enya ayonkofa bia o mo share kete e no mo je
no so many drivers for
me dey adamfo
omuso mo no dey man post for
enya no kure omusuro
na wonim say mra so Ghana say the giver is guilty as the receiver
sure
anything enti mebo amane no omo share kete na agie hwe wonim say ade edru anopa enye ya na edi ni pare kwa Accra Central are na edru anwure ngo form
edintra
adwedifo age kwan na fa enti wo ko gina ba bia ye de 155 ne be rew ti driver for ndodo ne nko omo mbekọ no why willing say obetua ma posi because obegina ho posi chi na obetua no no nso agene kese no agina wa ka so straight bi wa 20 cedi nso agina wa ka ama mo pa secretary wo mu anu no eninti wo pa minister enkofa bus 1000 bra commercial transport operators nso withdraw mo there 1000 still o ma no pressure meto eso na mo baby andokore no wo no ye mpese ye beka ya fe dampare papa
mo afi hwan
ya fi owura dampare
mo afi dampare
yes ya driver for ya fi no afi ni ye hu de nti a ye yi ni free wa no mo bono mo bose posi bie bose
really
oh yeah timamufu
but okay I say brebi na me ni wo ye interview Techiman Classic na you had said say now board dampare chi ene de wafi no
sa tam no ni enya akwan enka ya asem enkyere no ni ye ka kyere no otu nwa na mo awa bedi ho adanse me boa enti se me hawuni na wo solve mamia na me no wo issue
but interestingly no asamba kwa o kan asisi a me a strike me can say a driver for na kwan o mo fa so a wo mo de charge ade ma mo de charge ebu kese
Mr. Secretary wo mu anu no
eduru enwumre a e ma no de yo mo ne ma ne ba kwan mu
normal lock
kwan no na traffic na heavy and the driver ni kra no wonko okwa a obe hye ne fuel asay no the sent the kakra no so be ko no na ono so aka say meji say
oh enti hwe na man na ye chichire no institution no ye nyina ye nya ya adwen say transport sector be boa
oh ba say transport sector obi ne wo ka say aban akra 400 metro mass transit buses ayaba
yeah no nkomo
dai nkomo ben
do me ha chire ye terminal ya ye say cars ni padodo e wa hai u betu kwan ya be ko do me akofroka park bebre ejina so ye de adane filling station de bi adane apartment ye de bi adane mall
until lorry stations
why chire ye
yo membo akakra ye fa see ye fa St John's na ye ba ye
yeah
ye drew St John's o say St John's ofa runabout no mu na we ni chire petroleum
yeah
na driver for na ejina office na eho eye pete mu ya afro
no mo kura ho
na driver for kura ho sisi eho nyina da ni store driver for adane ketre a omo time
I think it's about time sir Abambe pay attention to that. The lorry stations, cars not dozen this time around. It was the last time I statistics of the number of cars. Ye mind so a kruma a titu akra. One more and I'm quite see cars not dozen ye. Na meaning say Abang with the best remo. Mumbo modding na mumpe lorry stations. My driver for no. Mumbo modding able. Mumbo modding na mumpe lorry stations. Because I had a hard drink. Don't me how you walk a cray crano. Because baby a PROF ni jina. Terminal be any o. E hono crano. The rain anymore crano. E haye ufa e ko market wo fie nim ha ko nam Nigel Gezi asori dan nim na ko nim kakra. Ko say a PROF for. O magic fine no. Enti we dey aban ye besrem pa. But oragbado 400 metro mass transit buses here won a day bay aban day bay the ayam sheshe bi atomo so ana
aye mo sheshe ye ni age kura say kan embra 400 ni kura so
adentra
omo ye ne 1000
aden
ya dra afo na betwi bi
modern for na
be menka bibi nchiro
ka bibi
Ghana ha statistics actually you say commercial transport operators ekura Ghana free kwame nkrumah bre so be kan
you form about 90%.
Many workers say government the buses ba me shall say free kufor so me ko shall say free ya ye de tete so ye wo City Express Green Line e ba ye Osa e ba ye Metro Mass ba ye Metro Mass crowd e ba ye no e ba no different folks ye want dey any nasefo
sure
but where are them now omo wan
buses on that's a big question you're asking this afternoon over here. It's a big question.
Nanu die ya aba Ayalolo. Ayalolo, as I'm talking to you, fleets are parked at Achimota Terminal. Niema ebi ade omope ede abakwan so. Brave food.
The watch about manenka senwi.
Ebi ade omope ede abakwan so, ebi brave food. Brake pad, tie. Your friends and why not? Any minor things. And a cars ni sisi ho. Cars no adanya dakato esi ho no mo. Eniti yensuro se ombeba Metro Mass nanu ya omubo auction of Metro Mass ebi to be 50 Ghana ebi 200 cedis Metro Mass kata impo ye ton sen enti yensuro
Metro Mass now can o say ebi ton sen
oh 50 cedis
it is not true.
Okay.
What I know near 5,000 and some people were even alleging say ebi call for 2,000.
Okay, zero back on the ante. Back on the ete, who asem na yeka. Be menka bibi nchira wu.
Me too.
Car tie cry ya ton say. Na ye beton your friend say bus no ni din de. Audi Isaka. Audi Isaka kakakai. Ya ton 5,000 cedis. Aninti aban buses na ode ba no towards enye nwanwa but die baby aban e wo se wo hwe ene say ye nyina ye save nation no ye bo o man no e wo se o mo resource commercial transports na ye change ye fleet
that's what we say for me to me akọ Facebook wall Metro Mass Transit we are buses na come up how Nice buses.
Maza, I would Isaka Krana FSC way.
I would do Isaka na FSC.
Oh, na FSC way. But every age, almost ton 50, I say the ton is
5,000.
5,000. Every age, you ton 5,000. Ne rim esha hu. ASA. What you say? And inti bus is no more de bano. And young one my. But unim. When you know come for no. December muni yewo. Now no December be 6 December. Yen driver for your Ghana 88.
Fuel.
Fuel.
Yeah.
On taxes. And my mate David Kwame Mawunu Aguado.
Yeah.
Mene deputy minister then enya asem. Asema yenya say you say taxes 6 bi wo ho.
Omunyin free so.
Na petrol embra form. Na enye attractive.
But say you know say free we aba form.
I mean ba ka be si asem.
Enti ebre ne yetia.
Ebre ne yetia unti na me ka be si asem. Enu unti na me so me ka me chip ni in.
Yeah.
Ye wo December mu. Say ye ton enura ko mo te petrol so.
Yeah.
Fo. What you say? Enu kire o say ye wo ndidi so e wo bibie mu. Aninti ena wo ka basis asem a me say enye enwanwa no.
Yeah.
Because ye adwuma yi ayesa ahye adwuma. Entwemu da.
Momu de no.
Ye trotro ni taxi adwuma yi ayesa ahye adwuma. Entwemu da. E wo Bible mre so. Emra no mo kope kuru bi ase no. Omo koda ahye fo da mu. Ansa no mo timi ko say ase.
Ba say dem mo kan yes pricey fuel ebo aba for mama driver for money age. Edi no ebo no madwen ho say lorry first madwen ho say mo betis wa.
Emma ya dream.
Emma madwen. Adentra.
Abuso kan for.
Ayi prof.
Yeah, me wo be 2-3 minutes me
Emma. Ma enye ni say hwe. NPA ebi mo aboka ama court HACB.
Yeah.
But papa no wo ho no. Nipa ya ade a osaye lawyer Eduji
Tamaklo.
Mama oman ye nyina ye mo na baso. Se afe baako ya wie o. Ya wie afe na wie o. Ba bi on betu fu 17 ne na chi ne na de no. Enne me no kase.
Omo betu fu no 14-7.
Enya no kure. Me se enya no kure. Obi aka oboa. Hwe me ntwero. Na me tikase we ya.
Debi. As at the time na wo mo hand over no. Na fu we boy saying. Can of credit me by 7th of January. 7th of January 2025.
We boss 14.
14-7. Then you 15
Prof.
Yeah.
And say
and somewhere around is it
Bian we
11. 11.
Diesel. Bian we do 13. All the OMC no. Na afi baako na say 14 send the wo chire kura chese yanya 2 cedi bia to ebutu mo meboa na 1 liter bia no wo pe 1 gallon 4.5 enti 2 cedi multiplied by 4.5 ema wo say enya 9 cedi enti driver auto 10 gallons no say no enya 90 cedi ndi ba me mo na baso wa ye adwuma papa say omamuni nyina bo
fuel prices after 7th was 14 cedis 99 pesos to 15 cedis 50 pesos me pacho nyabutre
for December
for
December
we are not talking about December, we are talking about January 2025.
What's it be say 15
ranging from 14 cedis
to 15
99 to 15 cedis 99 cedis per liter. Yeah, that's right.
And obi dia begina 12 afi ba ko wa chew 2 cedi free e ba 10 nyina wo meboa na yen say yo mo ma 1 cedi ye mo 1 cedi mfa nso kanea o mo gi 1 cedi ni se obedi nukura ma ho a se uni kanea na o prepaid na asa eno so e fat nye ho enti ye be ko demonstration enti owura na ye adwuma ye se ebo na ba so hwe aboso kan fo akoda trade minister
Adding.
So o matene ma so enya no kore.
O monte so.
O monte dey so.
Spare parts no monte so.
Mba chaw se u use Toyota vet. Now so kope ne pass now ko ne say yate Hyundai Grace dey so mba chaw sa ta mo di Hyundai Grace ye dey. Sa no mo di agro ne kire yo. Dey we hia na wo koto no. Yes and dey ente so na V8 dey na yate so. San kura agro na no mu di kire hwe me say ye cobro nya we ba first demonstration ye yet ya Ghana police service e bin see Ghana ada
driver for
yes
okay nyina so na eden
omo tutu e botom galam say too much
okay and
they do obiem trade ministry ye ne di wokro we mu
honorable Elizabeth Ofuso jare
ya di ka akora ka say o man pay to ma nyinedi
onyinedi
ai
mwaka
ya ka me ne na kwasi nkonwa akora wo ho enu na ofra boso kaifo o mo ba ya o mbedi tro so o ma tete enema bo so ya no kure enti what one adwuma ne say
all right you know yeah ebraso ya be sorry so but what some etwa to agbado
what some etwa to on say ya yen commercial drivers ya frɛ wa ka kyerɛw ana ya bɔ mane na wate na wafrɛ yɛn sɛ yɛ spare pass boy yɛden na wafrɛ yɛn ni abuso kanfo na abuso kanfo abɛtena w'anim na ɔma ka kyerɛw sɛ ɔma te SUV so ɔma te Land Cruiser so SUV fo ɛna yɛ dede na trɔtrɔfo na yɛ dede now say we have not been fair to them yɛn trɔtrɔfo na ɛka kyerɛw sɛ Sprinter engine ɛbɔ yɛden Toyota Fish na engine bɔ yɛden Vit na engine bɔ yɛden friends a Kia Trade na engine boy dey sakas no e na ye ka che say ne niam boy dey wo say wakote SUV so wakote Land Cruiser
na ye dey trotro
Land Cruiser ye dey trotro
chakara then how are better
oh some dey na me wo fa no kasa em so mu kan bibi tia na kakra
then no mu ka chia no
oh say me hu say na wo correct you say the fuel
yeah
price no na to de bia me ase e ka say obi apemfa so me hu say omo de omo ni bre to aboso kan for so e no omo de bi to police for so ma driver for no so omo de omo de si o
say ba mo mu say driver for ase
what you say ba say wo kan na wo kan na wa kan wo de aka
oh no wa bu say
David nyabotre
it the kan say
then part of wo hu afa driver for ho anya kan
o se den me hu anya o se bebre
David kebicho
me be yi kra do me kra me hu
then no hu ye
unlawful parking e kan ho nti indiscipline
omo ni yen edi nkomo ha na asema ho kan se omo nya bebi nyina
e bi e na me sure say se wunya bebi ngina meti wase but se wunya bebi ngina eno so nkire say ngina bebi ake
nti amfa mo nipa no
just me ma me sure just last week me tukwa me ba na me mobo Uber driver o cross me ena me swerve no ena trotro driver bi o smash me car on side me see you say oh Charlie pesro I have to go and fix the car na me use Highlander me de ba hakra ubonzo almost spray side aye what I say
but on a more serious note my driver for be in fact me drive okrum but a quay omo fa so omo ye omo overtaking na wa me hye wani
you are no
yima no mato yima chaka the next session I'll be engaging you so allow me let me finish
say mu ye media and I won crofo bi am from social media into omo kodi nsenhunu media fo nyina na ye bebre nyone union bia
social media is part of the media fraternity
but me we dey so bo be boss sompa fo abeji atum enti ada na esi anyintum assembly for ya ye wo kro we mu ye say undi eye station a undi wo kwan say o join we ye transport I just say o join association and as a union but nam say o matonton asase ni nyina di awie no enti wo pia o mu nyina so o mo ko join union a ahin no mo ko gina keje tia woni mu pa na fa more than 1,000 cars mebwa ye see market efe ye nyina abo aban abaso woni say market ne fenti ni parodo ko ho enne ba bia na ye station no kai fire 146 market na say enti bu say ho say driver for no mu free adwoso ebi free akomadan ebi free tepa ebi free o mu nyina e ko central market no o megina he
we dey ba me na mo say mobile but the Christmas ye kwakodi accident is on the rise say a true drivers union then I'll be catch wa driver for
dey me mechanic say ye ma police ni card ye ma ni tuo e de ka ho soldier for bomb nyina ka ho driver ye ma lances awudie de bi anka ho nso ebu nkonta ye na ekum ne papa mesrew ye no mo nsan kaka wa bora enkotwika woni se bebre ho a energy drink no mo de ne ma agum no mo wo so no mo nom ye sra bambofo ne se a mo ncheke energy drink mo wo afidi o mo de be cheke sa ne ma na bebre di no bone enegum enom
tramol
me de me nim bidin but me no monso obi onim bia no ze me no monso me no wi me ntwi asra ba ku obi apɛ de me nso me pepa asra ba ku ya ba ku obi apɛ no me pɛ
Sarfo na de na asre
so ho ba ko ne de me mani je ho pa ne
eno de enyina enim
say nsuo me ba yi wa mam bi
enye nsuo mema wo ha gina de wo ani je ho no mema na wo ha gina ani je ho me da ase so ba me da ase na GPRT for that aka cha da fo
asema me wo ma adra fo nyina ne say yawo akane parts efa nru boni no de ka ho biom ni say mesere se o ka ni ni ahoden a xmas yi so nkoko passengers be ko begu ho bebre apla passengers begu ho bebre long distances no because ye nyina ye kobronya o ka anye den a enko bon humusuo se o kwa form etu sa kwan no wo ye trotro driver ye wo trotro na long journey for no omundi omun
trotro drivers dey with you sir
minua afi we trotro drivers a ombe long journey ndoso bebre nti mesere wo ma ye nkukun ye nua no enkukun
ya de me ba toye passenger na ko furu car hwe car na wo furu de ye se car no ti mu se trotro ba furu ora gwado be da ase saso na ora ya beba be da so be da ase possible by ya me enhiramo we dem say ye be say shia later right here was
mesere me nua no ma mo ben blamazado trekuma tregbi azano this year children fanfare na your friends say orphans fanfare me no afi we matremu we 10th one mesere nkola omo ben eho enclave nyina omo ba trekuma omo ni beje
so who ye party among nkola
no every year bia this is the 10th one inti mesere omo amo blamazado trekuma tregbi azano nyikuto profuji
but somebody tells me say I said who say say obejina as a member of parliament
and the NC that
okay me da se pass
dear metimi aye e wo ma honde mu e na me ye no me papa no a major in army he died when I was 11 years inti sa the emi fame no e ya me pese me nua janka bi e be fame every year I wonder
yeah very about True Drivers Union we want to say a big thank you for coming and then, again our good brother hey Agbuado GPRHU second deputy then PRO yeah that's a pass over you trying one bus here the conversation will be on
Chimano foi Electroland abeja near the money I'm a punning in Answabo. Wait yeah, Thursday yeah, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front e Kumasi Techiman Kwana so.
Yeah, the Roma sorry dino and I said backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Perpetual Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa kahunina. Now winning baby. Count for baku 50 ebenya 15% discount any achedie it brabetadie kan ho na senya
to me nkyerenya wo ba eni beche mu ana de obedachi nanso ubitimi abwana manenya pomodin free ne mofrase Yamvita ye the milk papa bi ni nutrivi aye ye nkwada ediane a eye de na ahode a ewo mu no bo mofra pomodin hanyo impeni for swini chopa mawobano apomodin free ne mofrase Yamvita go do pray Yamvita, a delicious way to grow. FDA, Aji, a Jedi in Kratoyatum.
SOMPA Achadie
2025. Yabo,
Yaba. Bible say, Nyame SOMPA Pani say, Ubi Kongu Nyanka, any Erisiamob, and Nutina SOMPA 93.1 Kumase.
SOMPA 106.1 Techiman.
90.7 Nkransa.
SOMPA 103.3 Takwa.
98.9 Sunyane.
And SOMPA 106.5 Accra.
Yakabom, Sebronye, Yebema Enisia, any Akrafo, Editi, na Yanko Ayetini, Adisa Obebuayen.
Enti say yanwa, Emo, Tin Tomatoes, Ntadi and Pabwa, ye be a washada da wun sign in here, and yenta de dada nemum, de bet media chair amanua ye, mon fama boyen, near fama mobrofo, Ekuna for, and Yankani Wisia.
Ebusia for, Yafaya Winsem, na proposi prepa or board ponkom, Yanyan Copon, obey ye, SOMPA Achadie, Ekuna for, any Yankaneso, one petit, say a sick sika fatu ahomatrofo yi so 0598559802 meeti mu biem 0598559802 edi a waso yeta one media
anasa blessed foster na sɛde afi bia yɛ sompa akyɛdeɛ ne mamo no afi deɛ ne nyame yɛ adomu a ɛyɛ new year da no ankasa 1st January 2026 ɛna nneɛma a yɛn nsa aka nyinaa yɛbɛkyɛ enti sɛ woyɛ kunani a hyɛ no nso sɛ 1st January 2026 ɛyɛ new year da no ankasa no sompa branches bia ɛbɛn wɔ ahyeta ɛwɔ Ghana hafa na baabi ano kɔ hɔ sɛde ɛbɛyɛ wo nsa ɛbɛtumi aka wɔ nneɛma ɛyɛ first come first serve
mo a moyɛ bi afi atwa mu no emu adansedeɛ deɛ mo a mo nim sompa akyɛdeɛ
2025 yabo yaba
Duma Fest Festival 2026. Afinso 2026. Duma Fest no. Basso. Yeshasye. January 2nd. 3rd. Ekopim 4th. 2026. Ewo Dumasia. Sadan. Sunyane Dumasia. And Hobeye de Bruta. Brabem witness the Ghana's finest artists. The likes of Kwaku Smoke. Family. Rado.
Me I see me penipa. Because sounds why I see me did.
When the shade.
And I cannot deny it. All of my love for you.
Now the legendary Ophelia live band in Super Wosono. Sponsors 21st Clinic. Down delivery. Box and bottles. Jace Ackley. Big Drop Agency. Cowbell. Twisco. Holy Crest Block Factory. Black Lounge. Isbeth Hotel. Sheila's Executive Hotel and Lodge. Media Partners. Sompa FM. Sompa TV.
Nasada no. Obi bi o peso beto ade no. Ombebu kutebo. Sika kuma bi eno betia.
For 024-188-3559. 024-188-3559. Duma Fest. The pride of the people. Duma Fest, where culture comes. Duma Fest, the heartbeat of Dumasia. Feel the celebration.
21st Clinic, yes, sciatica expert. Sciatica no, when nerves never will to us and if I was slim, never will Nansia, Bessia, Siahono. Say, who teach him and not any offense sciatica. Now, it's me boo or to us say, Cow say, Dre, with slim, would you baby and ye? Now, no, 21st Clinic by a Juma Power Muyintia, Basubo, Majin, Wagana, and Yamonone, and Yasam Ketua, Wamuji International Awards, Wamuji Local Awards, now, no sooner will be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim Hano, a bini baby, I just 21st Clinic in Kwa. Woman dear Bibi Drew, and the best I don't know my the machine account home. Aya Sabia, Yarabia, with me the corner, my dear Pakua, woman Gidi, Womupano, Aya sciatica, and a stroke, so the qua, diabetes, and hypertension, near Deniade. Ghana have baby, our more, and cry her, say, you were Tantra Hill runabouts. So free and cry air bar. You were one sunny faso, Uframa Sama so ne bansua, one sabunkum so. A hona will be here. 0540-311-311. 0540-311-311. There's a 21st Clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Tontonte. Yan sani efadwen. Ne efadwen ampa. Say na nim say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye simple. T74 abeye dru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esina nanom dodo so. Say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo nipadua no. Emo immune support enti obi onum bie no. Abre bia ne ho den. Tontina 74 yin so ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ. Samene wa ankefi na kroi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74. Samennom tontina 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia. T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no. T74 ahoɔden ne apomuden ko a. Woko pharmacy ana baby eto nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi biato. T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufuo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu. Eto phone 050-162-8931 and a 0246-073-498. FDA agi ejedi nkratwe atom.
I wish to take a moment to announce that I have formally transmitted a request for the extradition of former Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta and his chef de cabinet, Mr. Ernest Dako Akori. You will recall that the Office of the Special Prosecutor investigated acts of corruption and corruption-related offenses by the former Finance Minister and his accomplices and proceeded to file charges in the High Court of Justice against them. On November 19, 2025, that is this year, my office received a formal request from the Office of the Special Prosecutor to initiate extradition proceedings for Kenneth Ofori-Atta and NS Darko Akori from the United States of America. Following a preliminary review, our International Cooperation Unit observed that certain aspects of the request require clarification and enhancements to align with the applicable legal and procedural requirements. Subsequently, on December 10, 2025, my office transmitted the complete request to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for onward transmission to the competent authorities in the United States of America. That is, in this case, the Department of Justice of the United States. At this point, it is left to the American authorities, especially the judicial authorities, to make a determination on whether a sufficient basis exists for the two accused persons to be extradited to Ghana to stand trial.
I was at for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Exactly 21 minutes after 4. Wherever you are, yes, I'm so in studio, we have Samuel Batu, a National Communication Team member of the NDC. And again, we have my good brother Derek, aka Chaka, Domi Kwabinya Youth Organizer. He's also seated right here, of course, in studio for us to do a discussion on Aye Oduya, my boss is here, concerning the extradition of Aye, the former finance minister, and of course, on Abrantibia, one also Ekaho. And of course, we are told, say, Aye documents are the extradition in Yano, for the Foreign Affairs Ministry. And of course, for onward submission to the authorities, US Abuchi, for them to study whether there's going to be a fair ground for the extradition to be carried out. So that is where we have gotten to on Ken Ofori-Atta issues ever dominated the media space some few weeks or few months ago. But I think I'll say Electroland Ghana Limited. I've told you, home of quality electronics. Open electronics, papa part or there, Electroland Ghana Limited. Say TV, say air condition, washing machine, rice cookers, blenders, and any other electronics you can think about. Remember, Dino, Electroland Ghana Limited. Now, this is the reason why you have to go and purchase over there. So, what idea or what? Yeah, 15% discount. And what you know, yeah, chewache there. Na butati timti American for mudiama say. So, ukowa, just electronics one botono. A cherry ye papa, very, very durable. And omenum bosso da form any kotokumya our way too. But modern National Electroland for a one crime, domi, me see, a dental barrier. Dansuman runabout industrial area biane me complex ne dey hwe anymore me ba cho say wo sunyane mankesim Cape Coast Takrade Tamalia ubehu Electroland Ghana Limited Tachiman foi momo moding na momfa wani kire Tachiman Kumasi station in Chenghwa Kumasi for muntie ne ye Kasi Junction Tech Junction ba be so ne Electroland Ghana Limited for din komo 0245949495 02459495 edro we dupa medical catchers at 74 a yahuban boydru a saya de wabebre yare kwankro say hepatitis B sample when your kidney infection wahra no brebo bema jinso ya was so about bunsa no be the white calendar. Oh, bombarding na kope T74 na beka wasema maw drugstore pharmacy shop be ben obi nsa beka na saka bi say we oba wa fefuru enye maw sa so na we oba wo ma akoda nufu so eno so enye maw abofra onye ndi 12 years enye ma no me pa cho 74 ne dudromu enkran ha okanshi drug lane Kumasi Ashton Colignac Herbal me pa cho betimi afre 024607349 again 050162893 Tontina 74 eye druma pa ene wo dwaman so chakara ti say
nyame adomo
emrantisem no wo mu pa hukule na yiri Hukule na yiri. Hugai Laura.
No,
Jirapa inga. Oh, okay. Ka ahopogo. No. La otaro lamfia. Ka bieming. Okay. Mami koda be ma video Freddy say. Sammy that is saying.
About the other room.
Maybe I can call there. Fresh boy. They say NDC when I'm with this canoe.
Oh, oh, Samu.
That's a draw. I'm gonna GP. I thought you got for Romco. Jao Massa.
You know, sometimes me normally I make SMP say, in as much as say BB having pokrana.
You don't see.
No. I don't let it wear on my face.
Just like Shaka. Your friend said, Domi Kwabeja. Constituency youth then organizer. Me ba haina so Chaka and Shedan Kaso Abuchi. Charlie, my info krum kakra. Says also my back okra.
So no kwan
oh, church.
Oh, channel the area.
Shaka says, what's the Attorney General on this particular issue? Ken Ofori-Atta extradition. Then I'll be can.
Yedikan, my minchia Ghana for Nina, na minchia Domeko Abenya for MPP for Nina, so titru. Namechia Professor Romai Kokwe, Yenuaba lawyer Sarah Joasafo, Ambassador Romai Kokwe, Yenuaba Shilo Ponsechi, and a constituency executive, and I'm a constituency chairman. Na yetieno yes media I have no bonidie so bi ya de na se ho onti ase a me member twe ho man so bia but you see NDC no em say Attorney General we obi heavy to say me who said the missing can I say should I say like the contrast pilot
adding why adding
oh na say why no say anoma kokoni
oh asema na okay
oh na say the make no nim say no correct
there be me say no correct because I don't know the basis for which you are saying
the basis ne say
yeah
now what say what say Ken Ofori-Atta just some months ago and Attorney General we are about because say onu onim ho hwe na special prosecutor and fashion mre no and yet the same Attorney General na nya Attorney General we are na ba ya cases e work court no okotwe mu say onye interested na nya Attorney General we are na teso ya said nam tamaklu ye di na asem we are sentencing or that's what America
now no one tie no parliament
oh debut na me tie na Attorney General entina me sure say why said the Pontius pilot no anoma kokoni o risi anu atete. He's not a trustworthy Attorney General.
You can trust.
Oh, but how do I trust
Dominic?
Oh, how?
Not
the track records.
Track records been a crown.
Na galamse na ye hu adwuma ene na nam krom no na sa law no one na ye chairman of the committee or pass
which law
na yen go to galamse ewo ye forest na nyo no passes our law no
oh asembe na okay
na nyo no ma ho kwa no mu go to
no
no go and check it no he was the chairman of the committee in parliament
then
yes go and check it. No, go and check it.
All right, okay, so you can just go on.
You get it. So I'm saying, say, there's an Attorney General who have decided, say, ni bibia no social media. Inti ebe de or social media. Na yaji media hype. But enyame because that was how the NDC decided, say, on babe because yenye media hype no bi hu say ye bibi. Inti nko buy na nko ye serious nka cases na da court no nko mbetwem nko ye 60-40 sisi Attorney General ye wo okroma o ye 60-40 Attorney General or this 60 no say for 40 kodi prof
metiopa
inti the American say media I have nothing against it. I'm not against it because say o say what ro ama the US and I was a law no so
I have just fact checked you and it wasn't Dominic Ayene. No, Dominic Ayene was not the chairman of the Parliamentary Subsidiary Legislation Committee that approved the LI 2462.
No,
I'll let you know.
No,
LI 2462 was enacted in 2022 during Parliament. The chairman of the subsidiary legislative committee at the time was Patrick Yabuama, MPP MP for Okaikwe.
No, but he was
Central.
He was a ranking.
He was ranking. So he was.
Yes, so he passed it.
No, he did not pass it. He was not a chairman of that committee because you had said
he was a ranking member.
Chairman.
He was a ranking chairman, so he passed it. In turn, your own repeal.
And in fact, Dominic Ayene was the ranking member, deputy to the chairman from the opposition party of the subsidiary legislation committee when the legislation was being considered and passed in the 8th Parliament.
Exactly. So he's part of it.
Yeah, but
Attorney General no him say the law no name one. Why can't he repeal?
But the processes have been activated in Parliament, you know.
Yes. So
to repeal that law.
Yeah, so that's no which repealing.
Oh, so you've not heard.
Oh.
Unte.
And I make sure says.
Yeah.
A media charade.
Oh, so you think?
Yeah, now said you obey media.
No, you can't say that.
Oh no, I'm telling you, it's a media charade. And trust me, quote me from today. Said you may catch on. In the next 1 month, they will come and give you another story. Yes. Mr. Tiffy baby, me say, and just our papa we are no catcher say, OSP no. And ninu krebu baby. Nana or no watching away from. Who say pressure neighbor? See a baby bronya. Into the nada be my Christmas bonus. Na ye about 2026. I be catcher say, assistant. It said ye me catcher say DVL CEO na baby I say omo 24-hour economy. No be a metric more than 10 years. Na me ko renew my license me the 1 year. Me could cover note for 1 year.
That has always been the practice.
But so we run a 24-hour economy. Those backlogs should be cleared. Into the alcohol. Neko tie the workers ne kan. Me ko won so be show action ho. Na me tro me mo betena.
They be ukoye no. The action be na workers then na workers in the catch.
O say na me nka me se wa ko.
There be.
Oh there be.
You have the information.
Me nka
what were they alleging? That the 24-hour economy has been touted by their CEO. No.
Me na me catch me I just came from the DVL.
Oh.
I just came from the DVL. That got me late here.
Which of the DVLs did you go?
The new one, the bigger one. Transition. Who rat transition? Boss
yeah.
Yes. What I say? Now, so we say a normal. A better than a jail corruption go kruma. Say lances na me renew no. Me say me picture was one am say man now.
Na cover note.
Na me baby renew lances. O ma me cover note in August. O ma me December 16th. Me ma 2 days extra. Me buy I say me Sambra June.
It happens.
What say?
That was the system.
And I me say. Na enye no say me no I'm not saying say it's a wrong system na wo no. Me blame no solely. I'm saying say it is not the best. But that is why you came to tell me say you are running a 24-hour service. In the 24-hour service now running no, you should be able to clear the backlogs. Until then I will run your me 24-hour. Say me be car registration and I run around 24-hour. Na nekra ukoye NHI kra anase ukoye Ghana card. Ye ma date ma akoba. Ene Ghana card. Ukoye NHI say print ma. Ukoye NHI. And sisi akra de 2 Ghana cards so woni bia ne print ya ma. Inti se me de 4 months atwen a beje me beje me lances. Enye se afi na me koye o. Me work. So far as I'm already in the system, I don't think this should be a problem. The only thing is you are extending my date of renewal. Asa.
But ube say Jumai for no. What excuse no with the man?
Oh, me say almost or how muti one.
Or how muti na how bang. A technical challenge and I say what challenge?
What's a technical?
Aye.
And then they send the omni the member come ama. But me maka inti mopa mo so monko na monko find out.
All right, man. So you think say Dominic Ayeni information a wo dey ababa to dwai it's worthy for Ghanaians to know.
Oh yeah, it is, but I believe say it's the same cook story. So for me,
I don't say some way no, and you'll be here.
Oh, now then, and 60-40 yet.
60-40 okay, na ma adwuma kesene. 60-40 here then.
Now we have said Dominica in 60-40 attorney general. Or G60, no, or say for 40. Plea bargaining, and you're one and my PROF na plea bargaining. And it's 60-40.
All right. There's 60-40 now. Can have seven. I think I'll get into it and let you know. But I mean, call Sammy Batu. Yeah, it's you on this subject.
My main fa kwenye so na minchia a chief for na hwefo. Na minchia the CEO of EPA, Professor Nana Amakrichi, and a Miami Brapenyi, Dr. Patrick Asian. Our Environmental Protection Authority. Namichia the entire party hierarchy of the NDC. Of course, the gentleman of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Namia Mibra Pinyim Mienu Abdullah Sakane Obedo Pinta. Share a year sefem na ya se aso mine ye did the brebe mo so besom. Na obaya we decided say you form a cartel to steal the nation na e was a wobesum. Oh, sa SML scandal here by ya a day Kanufurata, we need him to come and answer certain questions. No, he's not the only one involved in it. You won't pay you for kukudama no more GRE or more custom that supervise sad loss of 1.4 billion Ghana cedis now. So if second Uforiata himself enye no kre adenti no ntimi ntena o man nim adenti no wetu akwatena obi man so. See, we have
only you name so yari or medical attention.
A medical attention. So what medical attention now? What raw SU so when you within fee your friends and red notice alert in Nana? Any hospital. A then yari no or sa on same reader. A then yari. See, we have gotten to a point at home. I was see ye separate the sheep from the goats. Under John Dramani Mahama, it is not business as usual. Say a man for Becca say all politicians are the same. Whether within the NDC or the past government. Say what bo or minor chronoa you'll be dealt with by the law. No one will be shielded. And your mind money war. And the whole parliamentary MPs of the new patriotic party. Echo hold the press conference so Omonpeke no Furata. If say a whole finance minister of the sitting government, next on one kasa parliamentarians can come up publicly at a press conference so omon pena omu yinedia was it not worrying? Kind of right, and we need him because or no any idea rate ye this is Kenya the share. So if there are some corruption related issues be a was yano brane be yano obianka so wa convicting say or ye guilty nti ye jail no yes in some ba ko mienu we na esusu say wo na wo supervising na sa akro no dream no course so brane be yano nti wonim so hu so a bre ade na wo de yare katakata nuema so Are oyare chua na oyare den.
Also asemena okay. David. Asemena okay. No, but because asemena can answer one more yare chua. So why?
Sabi,
no,
okay.
you don't even go there. Please withdraw.
Okay, sorry.
Sure.
But yare ben potin na or yare. Once I yare ni. Ah, ote obi man so high lawyers. So I'm going to defend no. See, enough is enough. And kind of for that, no, anything na Attorney General kind no. Me bra penye ka no okay be so a crocro de John. But let me say something emphatically. John Dramani Mahama can say, under his tenure, there is going to be transparency and accountability. We are being transparent to the Ghanaians. Last year, 7 December, omko jina bedwem, omko secure atoma yen. Into every case is bia, and nyoma bia baby ano, ye de be babo nti amatime mfo nyen hu say, nyoma se ni na ekoso. Menya ejuma o yoku. Menya ejuma o Cyber Security Authority. Menya ejuma o your friend saying Ministry of Justice. Into so man fam mabedwema meka che say cases ya yefully aha ne yakodu a obeyede hu. So we always sit down and assume into so omo de ba bonti no mbeka che say when na ekoso a wutimamuni na ukọ to aba ekosala to aba no ehun fasudie no won hu say ne yedu. It should not be the norm say a politician e be more appointment na at the end of the day no you are kumamu na sumo man no na wo momu obo man ka na wo wi friend say government
right. You can't say na omo wi government because you the charge of stealing everything ato no so allegedly but we can't say
if investigation that has been conducted now Omane lose 1.4 billion Ghana cedis in relation to a contractor or no supervisor or the mine. It
is up to the investigators to prove to the law court say in some now no kre.
Good. Inti bra ni yenko court. Mbaba na ya oka sembi say sa wonne mesum na wunsura de a okwa wonhwe wechi. If it is an allegation, now when him say allegation na omo allege against you no, omo gu hufi. Be yi wo hwan no. Brapeyin.
Yes.
What is he say no friend saying abufre bi abeka so well repino. Right? So ogu hufi. Nti I was so de no court. No ko kire kwan so asay no kre say nya no kre. But a situation whereby or this allegation no to so o meka ho hwe wa wo mfa no court. Na sen kamia ye say asem na omo kan na no kre. Because for say a whole Ministry of Justice, ne other security agencies that deals with for instance corruption-related issues. Ne aka say wo a former finance minister, you are involved in certain scandals. Abo ma for instance o man no krono eni ska bia yelusu a. Office say e adeketo a. E braba yi hwan say nya no kra. Na de na wadwane kwata obi manso. Enti de bia so yare de bia or the hospital or the bed so ana.
That we cannot say.
Exactly. So me can say bra obi anka say ye jelu. Obi anka say I and say this is the allegation against you. Ye court wa hanom. Bra ne enko ayi ne ka no. Hwe we are trying as much as possible as a government to make sure say the image of Ghana omo betena ha efa koti kwan bi so eji amama so ebo omo krono no omo so omo ti baby ebo yen so timamufo no krono no will fish them out na yoku ebo no homodin because am Malaysia ni your friends in Chinese for now omo this syndicate be the fast system no omo botimamufo no krono those who are vulnerable ni ejiji omo sika no enne Nyamincha de we omotimi recover $50 million. E ya de ba kwa e wo se e de ye bo yoku aba so
because yen crofort ha na so ye bo obi kro no baby na se betimi abecho mo de akwa ene obi so ti baby no so boy enso ye de kro no mo so mo gigi ye de a se ye ntimi nyam na omo kro mo ntimi amfa omo amba me ye ni omo asem angeli omo a ene sika no ye nya bet ye was ye recover. I think say going forward no ebeboa. But one thing to me so mesre say cyber security authority no see vulnerability in the system no it is becoming alarming. Inti creating awareness friends educating the citizens no when be bless so you can feel vulnerable to these things no because obi on man no send link also MTN check data MTN check sika the moment I click this link no it gets all your information. There is nothing like that. And sometimes you see educated person or what's it say or wants to know this is no. It is not.
But me crab it be a famida.
What you say? Sometimes no. So this is it.
Boy, see the famida.
So sometimes no. This is it. O click here on. O be feel so. Just a link. No.
Oh boy.
O my inject any information. So I think say the cyber security. So I think say the cyber security authority, the Yoko, and other security authority, the Yoko, and other security agencies no. Omo bomb homading. Security agencies no. Omo bomb homading. But we need to do more. But
you feel say. The extradition of Ken Ofori-Atta.
Yeah.
The extradition of Ken Ofori-Atta.
Yeah.
Under this regime, a bare possible. Under this regime, a bare possible.
A bare possible.
Highly convicted.
A bare possible.
Highly convicted.
A bare possible. I trust the Attorney General. And I trust the government machinery.
But what in some no kind? The latter part of it.
Yeah, me tell you. Say what a friend is saying. What submitted their mom said they have to study the application to determine as to whether or not there is enough evidence for extradition. And we are one. Okay. And the secondly, so baby, or kind of say, can operate and so high top lawyers to combat the claims.
Good.
So that is where my question comes in. He said, in as much as all high top lawyers. Who have told lawyers to, to combat say you are not guilty and answer.
All right, so
if that being the case, on my the finance ministry initial and US. Kroyimu na wote na wodi finance ministry. Bra, nebe yin samano.
What if now he's a citizen of the US?
So if you are a citizen of US. Time now we finance minister no now we citizen of US. So we have to find a way the properties now we hanum na dey answer to so. Because time now the finance ministry shall no now we just citizen of US. So it means that you feel say what the money be into when you skebi akwato citizenship no. So if that being the case ni chapade we hanum no we should find by law no na dey answer to so.
That was it, but I mean, can say just bread, sabri this time around, just dokono. So about to kenkia, ubedi kenkia, ube feeling good. We are mituka, me de safu kantanka. Ya koto just hot kinky. Nedi ya ko deep lava sauce, papa B. Hey, just kinky. Kinky no more dese ye. Just kinky. 3 cities per ball. Because ukɔhwɛ baby ɔmo no ɛyɛ dɔkono wei na ɛhɔ ɛte ahonidie ɛkɔnkan se ahonidie ɛkɔnkan wɔ hɔ ɛnti nkɔtɔ dɔkono a wobɛdi a wobɛnya yadeɛ temperature bɔ modern power na fa kɔpɛ ɛyɛ just kenkan bi woyɛ obi a woyɛ event biara na mo pɛ sɛ mo serve dɔkono ɛwɔ party biara na event biara ase a wopɛ kenkan dodo mu a 3 cities baako bɔ modern na fa wɔ ne kyerɛ ɛyɛ just bread and pastries a ɛwɔ dɔme commercial bank ne chi hɔ a wait me from 02560688832. Just bread, pastries, and it just kinky. Wow, it is very, very delicious. Check out my video on this.
Yes, sir. And I make it. Seven years can no say at the hospitals in Ghana.
Yeah.
Now you reef say grandma so go say baby. All back man, your man chartered flight too. So now I didn't know can. me no na me read the SML deal no, but ena na make sure say the Attorney General himself enim say e was so ye bibi na odi please the party for. And that is the game the NDC is playing.
Also pleasing the party for.
Oh, now then I saw my
not Ghanaian.
Oh, there be now in opposition there no man can. Oba enyo no be 60-40 no.
Oh, but plea bargaining is acceptable
within.
It is acceptable
so,
within.
So why don't you try it? Send and say we follow on a Dubai case no.
Is he saying?
But so what to say? Or no witness now or no court in if you Dubai no. After the all can send via Attorney General and Anka say I deal with a mistake being here. You see, 7 million can any cyber crime for some machine now here can once no. Akwana mudi na ko jina no koto.
Machine bang.
Machine I dey track it. Yes, cyber crimes now they are doing now.
Why not Tory?
And you do why? This is why
now what to machine ama o man Ghana. Na yesusu say o man no what o man no krono na dey ko jina asem bibia. What is wrong with that?
There's nothing wrong. Me do one crime ni bibia.
All right.
Ken for that I don't know him from anywhere. What I say? But the America tell on say o pese o di allegations to nkrofo so a. E was say o make sure say asem a o di tu nipa no so no. Uwo ehun like in krata udu court na nya afi na akoka say miko yi we frim miko hwe we ebi na OSP ni ye no u read the SML deal na u read story na utimi hu say ase eye allegations upon allegations omu ni ene concrete eyi bia omu se omu di gina so a ye say asimesi afọ obi sika nti ye de na ya man no be 78 count u read adi wa hai me hu hwe omu say SML was initially contracted to audit downstream petroleum.
Oh, masa. Where read the SML deal ni pa?
Oh, say na me read.
I feel now read.
Oh no, me read but okay, me say read account. Na me person me because say Attorney General e won nyina so bia. Enya afi na wo no, wo de u case no. E come America for say. Omo nkonkohwem. No mu hu say viable. E wo say wo ma America for ne ti asese. Ade na me catch on e say na tie. Me ma no say na tie. Nti mpese mo de ne ba ne me de ne be gina mra no. Onkopa ne che wo. Na de America for FBI for no. Omo hwehwe Kofi boat na abutreka no. Omo be pa Ghana for che wo. Because they came with their evidence. And they needed assistance of government. And omoji no mkoye. Nti won so kwa onkopa che wo. You go with your evidence. Media no. Na de ya convicting no kra no. Oda so ti America.
Sadinam.
They are convicting in 10 years or to America.
Some no during your time sa conviction the buy in the class some fee.
No, see you did not to a use one year can once him. Into buy no was sent a what was so. That's
Attorney General Ghana Mrashe.
What is the can once him that?
Oh, the Waka was now in Ghana's parliament. And then because
all the press conference, what's the Waka was him that?
There be in a
parliament no BBC no. And not to papa so.
Oh, what
is the press conference?
What is to papa so?
Oh, now I don't know want to talk papa so and go near chi. There be Attorney General press conference. E do buy in by why press conference. Now oba no abe trial in the media o wi no asoreko. Unto media the same thing. And so asem work court afa de ukofa o witness ba ye bisa asem na witness say asem amoka me kra me ntiase. Inti se opese no ka se omampani John Dramani Mahama e ba se obeye Ghana yi enti ene won siesie ni fie yi because akromfo egu ono untimi nti omo untimi nti obi awo
akromfo egu hin
akromfo egu ni fie no untimi nti omo untimi nti obi a
mente wase akromfo no gu hin
na the NDC for no cases ni any court ye betwem. And this for na ye ni omu njina trials and attorney general ba so onye interested nti oba na nkoko court ena odi ekire ena ehu ekosi ne mpuma sebre ena ye kan ho asem ne ye ete ye ho ase a nka me ni problem.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes. Baba wo say ebi hu hia me ebi di ebi hu hia me. So what I say oba wo say ebi hu hia me bebi so hu hia me nti di hu hia wo no o kan yi a nko bia be hu say u di no kre.
Okay, so very soon I'll be picking the calls over here. 0260-1960-640260-196065. These are the numbers you to call in the next 5-6 minutes when the lines are activated. But meanwhile, my first fruit, Salasi Crystal ABOTCHIE. This evening, I just want to say a very good evening to you, and thanks for being a part of the show over here. I want you to be a good girl. That's what I need from you. Be a good girl. Don't be a bad girl. Salasi Crystal ABOTCHIE. Wherever you are this evening, have a great evening. Bye-bye. Okay, so that's what it is. So, your course. But I mean, Carol said, RSYD Norvigi Studios. RSYD Norvigi Studios. Hey, so studio radio whoa. That studio but what order? RSYD. Ochina be woman na me kotra a picture ho. Now be feel brutal. Hello, good evening.
Baby.
Yeah, me pato wana me no ka say. Ajani mo pato wa pum to say.
Oh, me number me about.
Good.
What's your boy, Juma?
Yes, that's it. But most mo boy Juma pa, mo boy Juma. Why? Apa brother? Ya Bema. Oh, sir. Okay. Yo, ajani mo wada.
Big farmer power or Dr. Mantos who are coming night.
Ya Bema Dr. Mantos who are coming night. Meaning pa. My inti we janimo.
My inti the example, income project. And national chairman, this can come with now. It's a lot. So, you organizer. Yo, not okay. One of Korea have one sense. Now, Korea, the other party Japan within Ghana. After the Wabami Ghana problem, but I'm there. Why am I going to go to the airport? I'm going to go to the airport. I'm going to go to the airport.
Now, a seven original line. It's okay.
Now, what am I?
Now, yes, a minus to say, Jumedia Bia would dear, Jumedia Amagana, Aboka, the Sentino, Omra, no Montutunano. Where are somebody? I don't know that's why. I don't know that's it. Yeah, bye. So much. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me patrol me who patrol one of them can say. Hey, back on it. I was having to be true voice, pal. Yeah, back on it now. What to say? Mark on it. Yamia Daruma, Yahoya, my interior Mark on it.
Now I'm magic gun and free. I'm money in Conquan, or magic and free. A year, Attorney General. The whole young one what say will be a Wagana.
Hey,
she can be chasing. She can a chasing. One bank for 14 a quote. What I withdraw 1 million automobile and Concordia assembly. What else with me after all for this capital baby. I need to for ya. I'm the same, yes, I'm wow. And she's more young in the Libra when you
Hey, Marconi. Yadi, a year or my mooning in a debre. Eddie Ashon, Sassi, di Jumana Fabua or my Ghana. Na, almost to say, where the bonny be brand, nabe you 1. Now, we know, and from Swabene, woman Marconi.
Now you have a yenny debre, and you for ya, and you are time, and the 2 and all the other, and I'm before I come for, and I'm before I come for, and you for one can for the same.
Yo. I think say why your point in every na me da se pass by why Yamin Shram. Hello, good evening.
Abochi na what today?
Me pa chobe ho ye na also
Nyame adum wa unia asori ba ni ko gukuru abeti.
Oh, asori ba. Na no de odi mi ho ya opa o.
Na ya tabora no ka.
Ah, na ya tabora na so odi mi ho ya opa.
Hey. Ni na de fi bukuru a enti ko no ka so di ho ya wa. Ya ba mento na mento ma ko di ho ya ka tra ba. Enti mi ho ya.
Me ba so ba enti why.
Abochi, ma minchi Derek, the youth organizer no but next election may campaign piano.
Ah, next election where campaign piano. Ah, sorry about that why.
O did your mom Jim. I say for power to studio.
Me ba so yeti.
So ko bi di na ko ransa. Me na me di said man no ankasa enso no no am. Studio we dey.
Hey, online article. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me pa chawana benene ka say.
Maxwell German South trouble.
Hey, Maxwell, that's saying.
Awoti Jamia do me we pa pamfo ne mfuturo na eku ye trouble mantem ha.
Ekwan fun ene mfuturo.
Amen na down minia.
Ade ekwan no mo ya na.
Me say last time report ma am from fee of a can in sema. Now no say assembly member baako aye press conference say o wie na me nyaa number me send press conference na ma o ani bra e ba o German safra no enya sem keto o ani fini pa kata o ya assembly member aye press conference say ne kwan omo anya obi esi o konye any talk